Hi, welcome back to Air Engine Research. I'm back in the shop today after probably a week of not being able to do anything. As most of you know, I had this 6-cylinder in my Volkswagen, but the valves were inadequate, so I took it back out. I reworked the valves, but I've got a camshaft thing that is supposed to go on this drive shaft to open and close the valves when they're supposed to. I can't make it, so I've had a friend that is supposed to make it for me, but so far he hasn't been able to get to it, so I'm waiting on that. And in the meantime, I have an old 3-cylinder that I had made some years back, and I decided to go ahead and work on this for a little bit while I'm waiting for that cam. The valves in this one needed to be also remade, so I've got one of them done, and I'll be working on that yet this afternoon to get the other two. Inside the valve, it has rubber seals, and those seals are not standing up to the air pressure. So I'm making solid valves that go inside now. Also, I have been working on my air pressure regulator. Hopefully I'll be able to get that to work. I've been waiting on a cylinder that I ordered from Amazon. It was supposed to have been here on the 4th or 5th of September. Well, now they say it might come on the 19th. It's somewhere in the transit. They don't know where it's at. So today is the 16th. I've got 3 more days. If it don't come, then I can cancel it, and I'll see what else I can come up with to
16th of September,
use on
2024.
So for now, don't have anything to show. I'll see if I can get this to run on 1 cylinder, and if so, then I'll add it to my video. But for now, I'll just go ahead and work on it. I'm thinking for this, I have a lawnmower body that has a variable speed transmission or belt drive system in it that I'm going to see if I can't make a go-kart with a 3-cylinder engine in it. So that'll be something to look forward to. Maybe I can do that. The other old body that I put that 4-cylinder on, it just wasn't good enough. So I've got it sitting underneath the workbench. Maybe sometime I'll do something more with it, but the way it's designed, you can't lay it down on its side. And in order to use it on a lawnmower that has a belt drive in it, it has to lay down, and it's not made for side pressure, so it just doesn't run right. This one will be with the drive shaft sticking down on a pulley, and it'll drive the belt with no problem, as long as it has enough power and enough speed. But we'll see how that turns out. 3 cylinders set on 125 psi. Timing is not right.
Okay, what did I do?